So your thumbnail should be captivating. It should be something that someone would see. I want to click on. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Christiana. Welcome to another video from me. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create your thumbnail using the Canva app free of charge with your mobile phone. Your thumbnail is your own clickbait. So if you want to learn how to make thumbnail with your Canva app with your mobile phone, stay to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment in the comment section, and I will reach out to you. Let's get right into the video.
Okay, you can download the Canva app from the Google Play Store or anywhere you download your apps from. Look, this is how the Canva app looks like. So you can click on Canva, and this is the home page. You go to this search box here and type YouTube. God, it has a lot of options. The channel ads, display ads, YouTube icon, YouTube thumbnail. So you can click on the YouTube thumbnail. So there's a lot of templates here you can choose from. You can just click on any and edit what you want into it. So let's start from the scratch. Let's build our thumbnail from the scratch. Then to add your image, you go to this plus button here and click the plus button. Then you click on image. It's going to bring out the images on your file. So you just click on, let's start with this. I already have the background of this image removed with another app. If you want to know how you can remove your background, let me know in the comment section, so I'll make another video about that. So now let's add our text. Go to the plus sign again, then click on text, then click on this add some text on of your own, or you can go to any of these and add edit. Click on any of these and edit it to your choice, but let's do ours. So you enter your text, how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, now put it here. Or let's do it this way. How to create first, then add text. Click on that plus button and add text. Go to add your own text, and let's add YouTube in cap lock. Here, let's change the color. To change the color of your text, you go to this place that has this black color here and click on that. Then you have different colors to choose from. So let's click on the red color. And if you want to make your text bold, you click on this bold here. If you want to arrange your text in different ways, you click here. So let's leave it like this. Adjust the text. Then let's add thumbnail. Go to add text. Click on it and add thumbnail. Click on this red color here to change the color back to black. Then let's adjust our text. Yeah. So then if you want to add any other icon or images, you go to illustration here and let's look for YouTube logo. see there are a lot of YouTube logo to choose from. So we're just going to choose any of them. Now to adjust the size of your images or your text, you just click on this zero button here. It has four, it is on the four sides. So you're going to increase or decrease or increase or decrease. Then to move it, you can just click on the image and drag down, drag and drop. Look at. And now we have a thumbnail. To save it, you can click on this arrow that is going up here. Then you have click on save as image. We are done with it, saved successfully. Then you can share to your YouTube, share to your social medias if you want. It's not a must. So let's go to our home page. Let's create another design with the template on Canva, YouTube thumbnail. Okay, which one should we take? Which one? Which one? Let's just take this one that is simple. Yeah. Click on it to edit. Now to edit the text, you click on the same. It's actually if you click on it again to highlight it, then press the delete button and it's off. So let's type something. How to a okay, let's do just like that. Add another text. YouTube. Okay, click on the color and change to red. Then adjust. So adjust, remember. Yeah. Then let's add text again. Click on it. Thumbnail. Click on it. Drag and drop. Then let's change the text to this. You can change it to white. Anything. So let's increase it.